Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Fix Flicks. In this tutorial, we will create and use browser bookmarks, also known as favourites. We will use Google Chrome for Windows 10, although the principles are applicable across most modern browsers and devices. For some people, routinely accessing the web begins with a Google search, but for a site visited with any degree of frequency, it's sensible to bookmark the site for convenient future access. We begin by opening Google Chrome and either searching for our destination or typing the relevant address if we know it. Here, we have searched for the BBC News homepage, which is now displayed in the browser window. This will be the final time we access the page in this manner, as we will now bookmark it. Click on the star icon located to the right of the address bar, and the bookmark will be created. You can optionally rename the link. Typically, you may wish to shorten it, particularly if you wish to save multiple favourites to the bookmarks bar for rapid access. In this instance, Home BBC News is longer than we need, so we remove the word Home from the title before clicking Done to make the change. Clicking on the folder drop-down allows us to change the location where the bookmark will be saved, but, for now, we will accept the default and save to the bookmarks bar. Now we have a saved bookmark, but we can't see it, because we've saved it to the bookmarks bar, which does not display by default. We therefore need to make the bar visible, and we begin by moving to the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. We click on this button to bring up Chrome's main menu, and we drop down to Bookmarks before moving across to Show Bookmarks bar. Incidentally, this can also be achieved via the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-B. The Bookmarks bar now appears, and our BBC News bookmark is visible. We can now repeat these steps to add any web page as a bookmark or favourite, and here we navigate to the ITV News homepage. Click the star icon to add a bookmark, rename the favourite to our liking, and save it to our bookmarks bar. Now when we exit Chrome and later reopen, with one click on the bookmarks bar, we are returned to our saved page without searching or typing an address. So let's see what happens when we scale this up and fully fill the bookmarks bar. Although we won't repeat the steps, we add bookmarks to Sky for more news, Yahoo for weather summaries, share prices from Google, sports news from The Guardian, YouTube videos from Tech Fix Flicks, and our own Twitter page, Facebook for more social media, Amazon for a spot of shopping, Gmail, television listings from the Radio Times, and online banking from Santander. With this favourite, we essentially fill the bookmarks bar. So what happens next? We add Netflix, but can't immediately see it. But if we click on the two small rightward pointing arrows, Netflix appears in a small drop-down menu, along with any further bookmarks we now add. If we wish, we can change the order to promote Netflix, which in turn forces Santander to drop down the order, making it only accessible via the menu. We can also further organise the ordering of icons using the Bookmark Manager, accessible from the main menu in the upper right corner. Again, drop down to Bookmarks in the main menu and click on Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager window opens and we can drag and drop icons to rearrange them, with the vertical order here mirroring the horizontal order on the bookmarks bar. We plan to organise a number of bookmarks into one group, both to neaten them and to serve effectively as a daily newspaper. We begin by right-clicking and selecting Add New Folder from the menu which appears. We are then invited to rename the folder, and we name it Daily Briefing. The newly created folder now appears at the bottom of our list. We click and hold the BBC News bookmark, and move our mouse pointer over the newly named Daily Briefing folder before releasing the mouse button. The BBC News bookmark has now moved from its original position into the new Daily Briefing folder. We repeat this drag and drop process to relocate ITV News, Sky News, Yahoo Weather, Google Share Prices, and The Guardian Sport. With all the bookmarks now relocated, we open the Daily Briefing folder and review its content. We return to the main bookmarks bar by clicking on its title, and we have used the drag and drop method to reposition the Daily Briefing folder at the top of our list, which places it on the left of the horizontal Bookmarks bar. As a consequence of the grouping under the Daily Briefing folder, all remaining bookmarks now fit on the Bookmarks bar without overspill, and clicking on the Daily Briefing group allows us to open any of the 6 bookmarks in the group. We mentioned earlier the use of a bookmarks group as a newspaper, and we can easily open all 6 at once by right-clicking on the group and selecting Open All from the menu which appears. Each of our 6 bookmarks now appears in its own tab, and you can read or close them as you see fit. You can assign as many bookmarks to a group as you wish, and the only constraining factor here is the power of your machine, as more tabs require more computing power, so older machines will progressively struggle as increasing numbers of tabs are added. You can also add as many groups as you wish to reflect different themes and interests. Provided you have signed into Chrome, you can also automatically synchronize your bookmarks across computers, tablets, phones, televisions, and other smart devices simply by signing in with the same user ID, and you won't need to repeat the setup process on each device. It makes sense to set this up using a keyboard and mouse on a desktop or laptop, then sign into a phone or tablet and have your bookmarks waiting for you. Finally, a bonus security feature of using a bookmark is found in online banking and other financial services including shopping. If you access your bank or shop via a Google search or follow links from emails, there always exists the possibility of inadvertently following a link to a fraudulent website. By using a link which you have created and have evaluated as being genuine, you eliminate the potential risk of fraud and thereby enhance your financial security. Of course, you should always remain vigilant, but this does serve to reduce your risk considerably. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you can provide a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFixFlix YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is of course entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. You can also keep in touch by following the official TechFixFlix Twitter account. Until your next TechFix, goodbye.